Hello, good evening, everyone. A very good evening to all of you. Hi, this is Vaishali Kamdar from Spark Academy. I hope you can hear my voice and see the screen clearly. If you can see my screen and my voice clearly, then please write in the chat section that everything is all clear. Yes, can I have some quick comments, please? Hello everyone, very good evening to all of you. Hi, this is Vaishali from Spark Academy. So today we will be, from today onwards, we shall start all the live sessions on YouTube. So today it's our basic topic, you can say first topic of the biology, that is biology introduction and weightage part. So in this video we shall be discussing all the chapter wise weightage part for the NEET as well as EAMCET. Okay, biology, how biology, what are the important chapters of biology that you can focus on for NEET as well as EAMCET. See, you all know that at this time, only hard work, it is not enough. You need to be smart, do smart work also. So that's why those chapters which are of high weightage for NEET as well as EAMCET point of view, that you can skip, and that you can give more focus to that those particular chapters. So yes, can I have some quick comments if I'm audible clearly? So before jumping into the topic, let me tell you that you can follow us on sparkacademyonline.com as well as Spark Academy in Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, whatever you are choosing, any of the media you can choose, and you can follow us on any of this link. So EAMCET, JEE and NEET live sessions, live classes on daily basis. We will be conducting live classes. Okay, so daily live classes, for that timetable I'll be sharing you what is this timetable, when you will get math class, when you will get physics class and bio class. Okay, free material in our app is also available. Tips and tricks we will be discussing during the class, also short tricks as well as concept clearance. Everything will get clear in YouTube live sessions. Okay, admissions are open for classroom as well as online coaching. So you can join us for short term as well as regular course right now, long term regular course which are going right now. Short term crash course will be for 2023, that you can join later on. So this is our YouTube schedule of Spark Academy. Every Monday 5 to 6 there will be biology class by me, Vaishali, and math class by YS sir. So then 6 to 7 physics class, 7 to 8 chemistry class. Tuesday same schedule. Wednesday you will be having 5 to 6 session, you will be having chemistry class in Telugu, and Thursday also same schedule will be followed, and you can say 7 to 8 in Wednesday and Thursday you will be having bio class by Aslesha ma'am in Telugu. So from now onwards we shall be conducting all the classes in Telugu as well as English, and I'll be your biology teacher for English, and I'll be conducting class on Mondays and Tuesdays. You can check the schedule and you can have a screenshot of it. Yes, Geeta, thank you so much for information. What is started? Yes, Geeta. Yes, you can ask any of your doubt in chat section, guys. This is live session. I'll be checking your chats continuously. So whatever may be your doubt, you can ask in chat section. Okay, I'll be answering all your questions. So I want you to clear all your doubts. So this is me, Vaishali Kamdar, and today I'll be taking class on biology introduction and weightage part. Okay, normally today will in today's class will not include MCQs, but yes, no, next onwards. Yes, good evening, Kiran. So next onwards, in all our YouTube class, I'll discuss few bits with you, few PYQs with you, and you will be, we all will be solving those PYQs together, and then I'll be giving you some homework questions also. Okay, so this is a basic concept-wise discussion of every chapter as well as bit solving, and I'll be sharing my short tricks and quick notes with you. Sorry. So yes, if you want to join, if your friend, anyone, any of your friends want to join Spark Academy, they can use this coupon code. My coupon code it is VAI10 VAI10. I'm repeating it. You can see over at the top. This is my coupon code. So if anyone is using this coupon code, they'll be getting huge discount on all our courses. This is my coupon code. Okay, so anyone is using this code, you will be getting huge discount on all our courses, and you will be enlisted in my student list, and then we shall interact more. So today our today's session plan is what we will be discussing here. In today's session, I'll be giving you idea about weightage of NEET, chapter-wise weightage of NEET, then chapter-wise weightage for EAMCET. Okay, biology weightage for NEET. You know that first year syllabus, and second year syllabus. In that, how we shall divide all the syllabus, all the chapters, and which are you can say do or die chapters for this NEET as well as EAMCET that we shall be discussing today. So you can check here. So botany chapter wise discussion, I mean you can see here, this is how you can divide the chapter wise, all the chapters or weightage on in this pie graph, pie chart you can check. So huge part it is covered by genetics and evolution and cell structure and function. So two most important and three most important units here. You can check plant physiology, cell structure and function, genetics and evolution. Good evening, Bhavana. Good evening, very good evening, all of you. Yes, you can ask your doubts also here in chat section. I'll be answering. See, I'll tell you that in case of NEET, for NEET first year syllabus, they'll ask 50% from the first year syllabus. Okay, NEET it is divided like this, that they'll ask 50-50%, 50-50% from first year and second year. That means 11th and 12th. Okay, and zoology and botany it is also equally divided like that. Okay, you can say I mean in case of NEET you all know that 20-25% only you will get from physics and chemistry, and total 50% you will get from biology, right? So you can say 90 questions you will get from biology, 90 questions of biology, and 45 questions from physics and chemistry. So I'm not saying that you need to neglect it. Yes, we want overall target we need to achieve here, but yes, focus you should divide here. Here you need to do smart work also. Now smart person doesn't need to, I mean I don't need to tell you that how much weightage is of biology. Okay, in this biology, this botany and zoology, in that you can see here genetics, cell structure and function, plant physiology of botany. These three are very, very, very important chapters. Units, you can say ecology also, it's one of the important unit. Then we shall discuss the chapter-wise weightage of botany for NEET. First, we are discussing about NEET, guys. So here you can check 11th in 11th units. You can see here plant physiology includes transportation, then mineral nutrition, photosynthesis, respiration in plants, and plant growth and development. 5 chapters in plant physiology. These 5 chapters, these are very, very, very important chapters, especially photosynthesis and transportation and respiration. Okay, so you will get a number of questions here. These are not marks, these are number of questions. So you can multiply it with 4. How many marks you will get after that, after cracking these 9 questions? Okay, so around 9 questions you will get from plant physiology. Then second important unit, it is cell cycle and cell and cell cycle. See, easy peasy types unit, very easy peasy, short and sweet, cell and cell cycle. Still it will give you 6 questions. Very short and sweet unit. And you are studying the cell and cell cycle from 8th standard. Right, Bhavna, Kiran and Gita, and those who have joined this class. So the cell and cell cycle, you are studying it from 8th standard, and here, yes, we will be discussing a little more in detail, but only 3 chapters. If these 3 chapters will give you 6 questions. So it is very, very important unit. You can say easy peasy, short and sweet unit. This is very important to focus on. Okay, you can do it right now. At least you can give it a glance once. Okay, then structural organization of plant, that means morphology. So 5 questions from that. Diversity of life, first unit, diversity. So we don't need to neglect it, guys. Living world, plant kingdom, biological classification, 5 questions from it. Then class 12 from that, genetics, ecology. You can check here 2 more important, most important units of botany. Genetics gives you 7 questions. Genetics includes only 3 chapters, guys, and again 7 questions. But yes, I must tell you that these are tricky chapters, and you need to understand concept. You can't get these questions without understanding the concept. But don't worry, I'm here to explain you the concept part. Okay, so do not worry those who have Vaishali, so they don't worry, because I'll be discussing the genetics in so much detail, and I'm damn sure that all your doubts will be getting cleared. And we'll be solving bits also after discussion of the chapters. Okay. Then ecology, again 7 questions. Biology in human welfare, 2 questions. Reproduction and sexual reproduction, 2 questions. So here I'll discuss the zoology part. So class 11 from that, human physiology, again most important chapter. You can say 12 questions. Look at the number of the question, guys. So how much important it is. So I'll give 2 stars to this. Human physiology, huge unit. So many chapters and 12 questions. So you can expect 2 questions from each chapter from the human physiology. Okay, see, NEET is always, you can say it is unpredictable. Something we can predict, but something is always unpredictable. In last to last year, that is 2021, So they have not asked any question from one chapter of the human physiology. So this can be happened. You can't assume this thing. You can't predict this thing. Okay, so it is acceptable. Then biomolecules. This is again an important unit from NEET point of view. You can see you will study biomolecules 2 times in chemistry also and in biology also. Here biological aspects and in chemistry chemical aspects. But all the biomolecules are the same. So you will get marks 2 times here. One in biology, I mean 1 time in biology, 1 time in chemistry. Right? So again, you can say just like cell and cell structure, this is also biomolecule. It's a short chapter, small chapter you can say, and yes, you will be studying it in chemistry part also. Then animal kingdom, structural organization of animals, animal husbandry, biotechnology, again biotechnology. Very, very, very important unit. 10 questions. You'll get it from this. 2 chapters only. Then human reproduction and reproductive health, 4 questions. Evolution theories and evidences, four questions. Human health and diseases, 4 questions. Now we shall discuss detail of zoology part. Complete first year syllabus. So have a look here. See, first chapter, that is living world. So average number of question asked till 2019, you can say it is only 1 question. But yes, still we can't skip it because sometimes they'll ask some species names, some biological names, and that we will consider in biological classification. Maybe it will be from living world. So altogether it is diversity in the living world only, right? So from this unit you can expect around 9 questions. So you can see here living world 1 question, biological classification 3 to 4 questions, plant kingdom 3 questions. So this is also short and sweet chapter and still you will get 3 to 4 questions from it. Animal kingdom 3 to 4 questions. Guys, I'll be teaching you complete biology. I can teach botany as well as zoology. Okay, so don't worry about any part of it. So plant kingdom 3 questions, animal kingdom 3 to 4 questions. Then second unit, human physiology, digestion and absorption. See, you can see the number of chapters in human physiology. So digestion and absorption 2 questions, breathing and exchange of gases 2 questions, body fluid and circulation 2 questions, excretory products 2 questions, locomotion 1 to 2 question, neural and control and coordination 2, chemical coordination and integration 3 questions. So huge unit, that's why important unit. 2 questions from each chapter you can consider. So digestion part, it will be clear, I guess. You are studying it from 9th standard, 9th, 10th standard. Alimentary canal, right? Already studied. Even respiration part. External respiration, I mean breathing, and then internal cellular respiration, you can say. Then circulation, already in 10th class you have studied. We'll be discussing in little bit detail. Excretory product and their elimination again in 10th class you have studied. Whatever may be your board, state board, ICSE, CBSE, whatever may be the board, it is there everywhere. Yes, locomotion and movement is something new. Even nervous system you might have studied in ICSE but not in other you can say CBSE. Chemical coordination, it is something new. Got this point, guys? Any doubts? So next it is plant physiology. So same you can say in botany part it is having weightage. Yes, Niharika. Then transport in plants. So again transport xylem and phloem. What we shall be discussing in transport in plant, different types of transport, translocation. Transport in that we will be discussing osmosis. Then active transport, passive transport. You can say passive transport in that facilitated diffusion, osmosis, everything. So this thing we will be discussing in transport and plant, yes, as well as here we shall, all these things are not new. But yes, we shall discuss here xylem and phloem in detail. How things are getting transported through xylem and phloem. Then mineral nutrition, each and every component, each and every mineral, how it is important for the growth of plant. What is its role in plant growth? So that we shall discuss in mineral nutrition. Photosynthesis, here we will be discussing few pathways. C4 pathway, C3 pathway. Then respiration in plants, again glycolysis, Krebs cycle, everything we shall discuss here. ETS, important, very important chapter, but here you can't find it important, right? But still it is very important. If you see, sometimes why should we not focus on the one question also? So it is sometimes it is one, sometimes it is two questions asked from this chapter. Plant growth and development, 1 to 2 questions again. Then structural organization in animals and plants. Morphology of flowering plants. So here we will be discussing about roots in detail, stem in detail, flower in detail, inflorescence, important, very important point of this chapter. Inflorescence, how flowers are arranged on a floral axis, that is known as inflorescence. So yes, I'll be taking one separate class on special type of inflorescence also, which is not there in NCERT. But yes, sometimes they'll ask questions based on that also. See, 99% or you can say sometimes 95% it is from NCERT, but sometimes we need to wonder here and there, and you don't need to wonder about that. I'm here to think about that, and I'll give all the materials to you, and I'll be sharing all these things to you. So do not worry about that. We shall discuss every point in detail, whether it is from NCERT or little bit in detail. Okay, structural organization in animals. Sorry, second chapter it is anatomy of flowering plant. Here we will be discussing tissues. Tissue of plants. So plant tissues we shall discuss in anatomy of flowering plant in detail. So we will you will get 3 questions mostly from that. But yes, in 2021, NEET 2021. They have asked 6 questions from this. So sometimes it happens, this is average number of questions. These are average number of questions. But sometimes they exceed that thing. Okay. So in 2021, they have asked 6 questions from anatomy itself. Structural organization in animals. Here you will be discussing animal tissues. Animal tissues along with cockroach, earthworm and frog in detail. Frog and earthworm, they are not that much important for NEET point of view. Yes, cockroach is very important for NEET as well as EAMCET. Then cell structure and function, as I have told you, this is short, sweet and easy peasy types you need. The cell and the cell cycle, from these 2 chapters only you can expect around 6 to 7 questions. Biomolecules separately 2 to 3 questions. Then biology and human welfare. Just a second, guys. Yes, biology and human welfare. So in that, human health and diseases, strategy for enhancement of food production, microbes and human welfare. So this is again 2 to 3 questions, 3 to 4 questions from each chapter. Again, very important chapter. Here comes the biotechnology, something new which you haven't studied yet. So biotechnology principles and processes are DNA technology. Here we'll be discussing recombinant DNA technology, rDNA technology. Okay, genetic engineering also, that is known as genetic engineering. So this is something new that we shall discuss here, and I'm damn sure that you will, when I'll explain after that, your concept will be clear. Then biotechnology and its application in routine, in normal, how it is getting. See, right now we are getting BT cotton, BT rice, even golden rice, or you can say bio fortified foods. So that means mineral added or vitamin added into the food itself. So you will get these things when you eat this type of specialized fortified foods, right? So these things, everything of application of the biotechnology, we shall discuss in that particular chapter. Then ecology and environment, organism and population. So population genetics, here we'll be discussing that, ecosystem, biodiversity and its conservation, and environmental issues. 4 chapters, and you can expect 2 to 3 questions. Sorry, 2 to 3 questions from each chapter. Genetics and evolution. Only 2 chapters of genetics, principles of inheritance, Mendelian genetics. This is known as Mendelian genetics. Gregor Johann Mendel, father of genetics. So we shall discuss here Mendelian genetics mainly. Here we will be discussing molecular basis of the inheritance, in that structure of DNA, RNA, okay, detailed structure of DNA, RNA. Then central dogma of life. What is central dogma of life? Can anyone tell me? Yes, who will tell me? Central dogma of life. DNA to RNA, it is known as what? DNA to mRNA. That process is called what? Yes, Niharika, Nidhi, Kiran, Bhavana, Geeta. Can anyone answer? You don't know that? DNA to mRNA, the process is known as transcription. Transcription. Then mRNA to protein, it is called translation. Translation. Okay. And DNA to DNA, that is known as replication. Replication. Right, Nidhi? So, an mRNA to DNA, or you can say RNA to DNA, that is known as reverse transcription. So, this is known as central dogma of life, given by Francis Crick. So, we shall discuss every process in detail in molecular basis of inheritance. Replication of DNA in detail, transcription in detail, even structure of DNA, structure of different type of RNAs. Correct, Bhavna, DNA to RNA, RNA to protein, right? Okay, so everything we will be discussing in detail in molecular basis of inheritance. So that will give you around 4 to 5 questions. Then evolution. So evolutionary theories, different types of evolutionary theories. we shall discuss Darwinism, Lamarckism, everything in evolution chapter. Then reproduction in organism, and again a very important, not unique but important chapter, guys. Sexual reproduction in flowering plants. So it is a very important chapter. I'm not talking about the unit, guys. Chapter, sometimes they will ask 5 to 6 questions or 6 to 7 questions from the single chapter. So that's why this is very important chapter, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Here we will be discussing about stamen, or you can say anther in detail, then pistil in detail, pollen pistil interaction, pollination in detail, then fertilization, post-fertilization event, pre-fertilization events, everything in detail in sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Okay, then human reproduction, reproductive health. So now we'll discuss about the EAMCET part. Again, same biology, same botany, zoology. You will get 40 questions here in case of EAMCET. Yes, one of the benefits of the EAMCET, there will be no negative marking in EAMCET. Okay, if you are attempting EAMCET 2023, then this thing will be important for you. See, if you prepare for the NEET, then EAMCET you will clear EAMCET with good score. So our target should be high, right? So if you target high, your target is high. That means if you are preparing for the NEET honestly, smartly, hardworkingly, then I'm sure that you will crack EAMCET with good score. So this is, we are talking about EAMCET by PC. TS EAMCET Telangana State EAMCET by PC. Okay. So which type of questions they will ask? They will ask MCQ types question. Yes, they will ask assertion reason based. Need to take. Okay, Kiran. This thing you want it. Guys, you can follow us on Telegram channel also. I'll be sharing this thing in Telegram also. Okay. So you will be having this video after saved also. You can check these videos on YouTube afterwards in Spark Academy channel. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Done, Kiran? So yes, in case of EAMCET, they ask questions, 4 type of questions: MCQ, normal, MCQs. Then match the following type. Even diagram based questions are asked in match the following types. Assertion reason based question. So what are assertion reason based question? Don't worry about these questions. We shall solve these type of PYQs next class onwards. What are assertion reason based questions? See, for example, they have given a statement. Okay, you a statement, and that, I mean, 2 statements are given in your question. Then they'll give you that either assertion is true or not, or assertion is based on true explanation. Reason is correct for the correct explanation for the assertion or not. Either both are true or both are wrong. So you will get 4 options for sure. Same 4 option for sure. First option, that is assertion is right, reason is wrong. Second, assertion is wrong, reason is right. Third option, assertion is reason is it is better explanation of the assertion. Or you will get that both of them are true. And last option, that both of them are wrong. Okay, then statement based questions. So statement will be given, then this statement is right or wrong or like that only. So in biology, in EAMCET also 40 questions, 20 from first year syllabus, 20 from second year syllabus, from botany as well as zoology. So you can see here. So botany, again, diversity in living world, you will get 2 to 3 questions from that. Biological classification, branches of the biology, plant kingdom, 5% weightage. Morphology of flowering plants, 5% weightage. Sexual reproduction in plants. See, I have given 2 stars to sexual reproduction in plants for NEET also, and for EAMCET also 2 stars. Because it is having 11% weightage. Single chapter. Okay. Then plant systematics, 2 questions. That means taxonomy, living world diversity. See, in case of EAMCET, you will be following Telugu Academy book. Okay, so in that there is a separate chapter, that is plant systematics. Then cell structure and function. Again, important unit. 5 questions you will get from that. Histology and anatomy of plants, 7% weightage. Plant ecology, 2 questions. Plant physiology, again important chapter for same as EAMCET also. Genetics, principles of inheritance, biotechnology, principles of inheritance, here it is, molecular basis of inheritance. In biotechnology also you will get 2 to 3 questions. So you can see here do or die units for botany, that is sexual reproduction in plants, anatomy and histology, genetics, plant physiology, and biotechnology. For botany I am talking. Okay, then for zoology, structural organization and animals, 2 questions you will get. Invertebrate phyla. So here we will be discussing, see, all these things are present in structural organization in animals and in animal kingdom. All these phylums are there. Phylum Chordata, invertebrates, vertebrates, everything it is there. Okay. So 2 to 3 questions you can expect from this. Locomotion, 2 questions. Biology and human welfare, 15% weightage of that chapter that you need. Then type study of Periplaneta americana cockroach, very important for EAMCET as well. Then ecology, three questions. Human physiology, you can check over here. Human physiology, 5 to 6 questions. Human reproduction, 3 questions. Applied biology, 2 questions. So this was about weightage part for EAMCET as well as NEET. I hope you don't have any doubt in this thing. Everything is clear for weightage point of view, from weightage point of view, guys. Any slide you want me to repeat, or should I move ahead? Yes, those who have joined, please answer in the chat section. I'm waiting for your answer. So you can download our app for great discounts and our courses. So this is Spark Academy app. You can go to the Play Store from your phone and download this app, and then you can check the courses which are available and what is the discount. And for better discount, huge discount, you can apply the coupon code. Okay, if any of your friend has not joined yet, then they can join using this code VAI10. VAI10. Okay, so to get huge discount, so I want you to get proper discounts in all our courses. It is not likely that Vaishali ma'am teaches only biology, so you will get discounts on BPC course only. Okay, you will get discounts on any of the course available in this app. So after that, if you join any of the course, then you will be having free handwritten notes, free study materials, PYQs, free mock tests available in this app. So in Spark Store, everything is available. So admissions are open right now. Join us. You can join right now. So see anyone, you can recommend anyone from your friends, from your group. Thus they can join right now. This is the time to join long-term batch, guys. Long-term as well as regular batch. Because you know how I am teaching those who are knowing me. Those who have attended my class. I know they are knowing that all your concept will get cleared in Spark Academy. All our teachers, all our faculties, they work hard to serve better, serve best to you. So right now, these all courses are going on. Inter plus EAMCET. Those who are in Inter, they can join 10 to 4 EAMCET JEE NEET class. Long-term coaching is also going on. 10 to 4 is the timing. Regular coaching for 11th and 12th, those who are going to colleges in morning time, so they can join us on the evening time also, in the evening time 6 to 8 p.m. And school tutorial, this is something new we are starting from this year. This is something new we are starting from this year itself. So all our qualified faculties will be serving there. So yes, we want you to prepare, or your siblings, your younger brothers, sisters, to get prepared from 7th standard, 8th standard itself. Okay, so we want you to prepare for NEET JEE EAMCET from 8th, 7th, 8th onwards. Okay, so that's why you can join us for the school tutorial also. Timings will be evening only, because morning we'll be going to the school, right? So we have our 3 branches. So this is again something new we have started this year. So new branch at ECL, then Narayanguda premise, Mehdipatnam. So 3 branches. We have 3 branches right now. So link in the description box is there. Spark Store, you can purchase anything from this: long-term courses, previous year solutions, crash courses, full length test, mock test, study material, etc. So online coaching is also going on. You all are aware about of that, right? Online also you can join us. So it is not likely that yes, COVID taught us about the online coaching, but yes, we can take great benefit out of the online coaching also. You can go anywhere and still you can join the class. And it is not likely that online, if it is online, we are not teaching properly. You know how we are teaching, and how we are serving online also. So we should be prepared for every situation, right? So those who are traveling and not here in Hyderabad, they can also join us for online coaching. So NEET 2023, we can say online coaching is going on. Then JEE class also going on, EAMCET also going on. Same coupon code you can apply for join any of these courses. So on daily basis, we are conducting live sessions like that. So whenever we are teaching offline, at that time also, and online separate class we are conducting. So you can see this video point here. See, on-demand sessions are there, and some doubt clarification sessions can also be arranged on demand of students. Okay, so this is how we are conducting live classes, and these classes will stay, or you can see the videos afterwards. Check the videos afterwards also, because they'll be in your app you can see this video in recorded form. Okay, so if in any case, if you are not joining the class at that time, or you are busy, or you're unwell or traveling, So in that case, in those cases, you can check this video afterward also. Okay, but if you join the live class, you can have discussion with the teacher in live chats. So that benefit you will get only in live class, just like now only. Because this is YouTube live session, you can interact with me in chat section, right? But afterwards, you can only see the video. So this is how we are giving assignments on daily basis, on weekend basis. We are conducting tests, and we are checking whether they have submitted assignments on time or not, whether they are performing well in test or not. This is how you will get test report also. So what is our methodology? So first we are explaining basic concepts. The last few weeks we have started basic only. Then shortcuts method also we are discussing, right? How you can use keys and all these things to remember or memorize the things. All model questions we are solving, exercise questions, PYQs, chapter-wise test, weekend test, grand test, and test analysis. Everything is done properly. So why you can choose Spark? Because you can see we have highly experienced faculty and personalized coaching on personal base. It is not likely that just we teach and we went off. Okay, personally we will interact and personally we'll check that whether the students are doing properly or not, whether they have any personal they have any personal doubt. So we are clearing all these doubts during the class also, and we are serving 24-hour service in our app. There is one chat option, so students can share their doubt when they are at home also, and we are solving those doubts in during the class as well as in chat. So this is how we are providing 24/7 service. So process oriented coaching we have, personal mentoring and doubt clarification we are conducting. We have a limited batch size. So if you opt for the hybrid coaching, that is, you can come on, come to the classroom as well as you can have access to the online also. Okay. But those who have opted for online coaching, they can't come to the classroom. They will be not having access to the classroom. So books we will provide to those who have opt for the classroom coaching. Online persons, online coaching, for that we will be providing online books, online study materials. So study materials, online study materials will be available for both of them. Weekend test will be available for both of them. Grand test also, doubt clarification. Also in hybrid coaching, in personal you can clear your doubts, and on online, in online mode through chats only. So this is our Telegram link which I was talking about. So yes, Kiran, Bhavna, Niharika, everyone, you can check this Telegram link. Okay, join now on Telegram link, that is Spark Academy Online. So you will be getting all the updates and sometimes some study materials, sometimes some handwritten notes also in Telegram link, in Telegram channel. Okay, so better to join this Telegram channel, Spark Academy. Sometimes we'll be conducting some quizzes or quiz also in Telegram channel. So at the end, do not forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the notification. These are our results, segregated. You can see summarized result of EAMCET as well as NEET 2022 results. You can check this thing. So how our graph, it is increasing. You can see how it is steadily increasing. So number of students got admissions in medical, number of students they have cracked NEET with good score. You can check this thing. Okay. So EAMCET 2022 Spark Academy result summary, here you can check it is. Then TS EAMCET Spark Academy result summary. 2022, 95% result, highest rank in engineering, highest rank in agriculture. So these are our, you can see our data, which you can have a look, that you, if you are joining Spark, that is your best decision to best decision for cracking NEET with good score. So Spark Academy JEE Mains 2022 results, again you can check. So highest percentile, you can check here 99.1%, or you can say it is our highest percentile. Highest category, all India rank. Okay, you can check all this data here. Key number of the students studying in the Spark Academy, average percentage of the Spark students, 87 percentage. Pass percentage of the Spark Academy, you can increase this thing. Guys, I want you to, I mean, if you are joining Spark, then yes, this can become more. 98 is, I mean, it can go ahead. Graph can go increasing. Average percentage of the TS students 60%, pass percentage of the TS students 67%. But yes, for the Spark Academy it is 98%. State toppers, number of the students who scored 98 plus 7 students. So this is detailed report of our students. You can check with the student's name itself. Yes, I know these are these are from MPC. You can check there are some from the BIPC also. Akshita Reddy. Okay. So some BIPC students. These are some, I mean, names of some students that how they are scoring. This is their report, their score of IP exams. So these are score from 1000 marks only. From 1989 on, you can say 990, only 10 marks less. That is, I mean, that is a good score. So Spark Academy 2022 results, highest score year wise, you can check here. 650. For NEET selections, how many students got selected? In 2020, 15, in 2021, 19, in 2022, 27, they were selected in MBBS, BDS, BA, HMS. JEE EAMCET NEET classroom and online coaching admissions are open for long-term batches. 2023, 2020, 2022, 2023 admissions are open now. Test analysis and reports, full-length test, doubt clarification supports, lecturer videos on demand, access to app and live sessions, daily, weekly, chapter-wise test. So everything is properly arranged and well planned, guys, to crack NEET with good score. So you can check these. I mean, we have 4 different options. You can join any of the branch for offline classes, Narayangura, Mehdipatnam, ECL, and for online also. I am here to teach you online for online biology. Okay. So JEE EAMCET NEET classroom online coaching 12th and 11th students, regular coaching for the 12th and 11th. After school tuitions, this is something new, guys. You can advise someone younger to you, okay, that admissions are open for 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th classes also. So limited batch size, help with the homework and the test, and teaching from the basics. We are teaching from the basics, personalized coaching. This is our method for the teaching, regular performance tracking and student progress updates to the parents. So at Narayangura branch only, guys. So timings will be 5 to 8 p.m. You can contact on the given number. Number is given, number is there flashing on your screen. You can contact for that also. Thank you so much for joining this class, guys. From next class onwards, we'll be starting on the chapter-wise concept discussion with bit solving and tricks and tips. So do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Likes are very important for me, guys, and do not forget to press that thumb icon, guys. So, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will get notification whenever I'm taking any class. Okay, so from next class onwards, we'll be starting from the living world. Thank you so much for joining this session. Thank you very much, everyone.